begin this install, you are going to remove the stock grille by taking out the 6 body clips along the top of the grille. If you do not have the special tool for these clips, I like to take 2 flathead screwdrivers, put 1 in each tab, and pop it up. Then give it a wiggle and pull it out. Don't worry about damaging the clips, as our kit does come with new ones. Before you pull off the grille, be sure to remove the turn signals. This Jeep had aftermarket lights, so I got to skip that step, but I will show how to install the turn signals later in this video. There are 6 more clips holding the grille on, and these will pull straight out. I like to start with the outside and work my way to the middle. Once the clips have been pulled out, the grille will be free to remove. Before installing the new grille, you're going to add these 6 provided clips to the back side of the grille. These are going on the same location as the stock grille if you need to use it as a reference. Before I carried the grille over, I tucked the wires to the outside so they would not get pinched while installing. Once the grille is in place, firmly press in the 6 clips along the bottom until you hear them click. If the Jeep has a winch, you may have to remove it before installing the grille, as I did not have a lot of room to work with, the winch still being in the bumper. The 3 wire pigtails coming off each light in the grille are going to tap into the turn signal harnesses on the driver and passenger side. This install is on a 2016 Jeep Wrangler Sahara, so the Jeep harness wire colors may vary. For the passenger side, I tap the black wire coming from the grille light into the black wire of the turn signal harness. Then I tap the yellow or turn signal wire into the white with orange striped wire of the Jeep harness. The driver's side will be a black wire to black wire for ground, then the yellow wire to the white with green striped wire for the turn signal function. The white wire that is left on the grille light harness can be tapped into a power wire for a white DRL mode. With the DRL mode connected, you will only have the RGB function while the Jeep is not running. If you want to access the RGB mode while driving, do not connect the white DRL mode wire. The turn signal function will work with or without the white DRL mode connected. After that harness is connected, we will wire up the XKchrome controller. Start by taking the provided splitter and plug it into the controller. Then you will run the wire left from both grille lights and plug them into the splitter. After that, the red positive and black negative wires will go to the battery and you are done. Although there are many ways you can wire the grille, this is the direction of how I ran the wires on this Jeep. After everything is wired, test the lights before buttoning up the grille. Download the XKchrome app and pair to the grille light controller. Use the app to test all the RGB functions, including different colors, themes, and sequences. Be sure to test the white DRL mode, turn signals, and hazards as well. After you have tested the light functions, install the 6 provided body clips along the top of the grille. Once it is mounted, install the rubber seal that goes across the top of the grille. The seal does come too long for the JK, so I held it up against the stock grille and cut it the same size as the OEM seal. Then remove the double-sided tape, center the seal, and stick it on. After the seal is installed, the last thing to do is install the turn signals. The OEM turn signal housing has 2 clips that you will line up, then push into place into the grille. The turn signal bulbs will go into the back of the housing, then will turn 45 degrees towards the outside of the Jeep to lock into place. It is very important to test all the light functions of the grille and OEM lights that were disconnected during the install. After everything is tested, your Jeep is ready to hit the road or trail with its new XKglow grille.